Guys, for the first time on this channel, I actually have something close to a sponsor that I endorse, and that is me. I have opened up an online store that you can definitely check in the links down below. It's Techfusion.store. That's how you can reach the website, where my plans are actually to try and deliver you guys all the PC needs that you are actually going to need, both now and in the future, to as close as possible to MSRP prices as I can get them. The reason I mention as close as possible to MSRP price is because when the manufacturer comes out with a product like this 4090 right here, they release it with a price tag in mind. In this case, I think it was around $1,700, and that price is going to be transferred over to the supplier. And when I contact that supplier is not going to go and do it for free. Of course, they're going to be charging something as well, and my shop is going to be absorbing the MSRP price plus the supplier price, and then that's going to be reflected in my shop. Not only that, but I don't have control over the tax, man, and that is around 19% here in Romania in Europe. So that's definitely one of the costs that I have to transfer over to you guys. And on top of that, there are some other management fees like, I don't know, the website and the domain and stuff like that. That's nothing really concerning, but that's why I'm talking about as close to as possible to MSRP prices. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, moving down the line in the future, I do hope to contact more suppliers, and if you do have any sort of knowledge about suppliers in Europe, do hit me up in the comments down below. I would definitely appreciate that business, and having more suppliers will actually allow me to reach out to many more vendors and probably compare more prices and offers, and of course get you better deals overall on the website as it stands right now. This project of mine has just been released, and I'm definitely doing my best to update the stock as we go in my spare time. But don't worry, if you are looking for something that isn't there, you can always hit me up at sales@techfusion.store, and I'll go to the supply chain and see exactly if I can find a certain part that you are looking for, get you up with a price, and see exactly how we can ship it to you. I'm not necessarily expecting at the present moment to have the best prices available out there, because especially if you are in the United States, your prices are very good and hard to beat in Europe. I don't know about other places in the world or other necks of the woods, but definitely for me in Europe, the prices are a bit crazy as they are. That's why I'm looking for more suppliers. So please, if you do know some huge suppliers in Europe, hit me up in the comment section down below, because I'm really looking forward to have a business opened up with them so that I can overall deliver you more products for better prices. All right. Enough rambling, guys. I'm so sorry for that, but yeah, this is definitely something that I am trying to do, not only for me but also for you, because I am just like you, and during the pandemic I spent a lot of money to build up my PC dream here, and of course to build up this channel, and I know how it is to be cash strapped but still desiring the latest and greatest.